Hi everyone and welcome to another phonics session. Today we're going to be learning another set 3 sound, but first of all let's recap all the sounds you've learnt so far. Off we go, call them out at home. O, O, I, A, Oi, E, U, E, R, O, Ow, Oo, Oi, O. Well done everybody. I hope you've been practicing them at home. Now today we've got a new sound. Here it is. As you can see, it's another split digraph. That means there will be a letter in the middle. They don't sit together, there'll always be a letter in the middle. Now today is a little bit tricky because sometimes this sound sounds a little different in words. We can say oo or you depending on the word. We've already seen the word oo here. Oo, oo, poo at the zoo. But now we've got oo, oo, huge, brute. Can you hear in the word huge the sound is U, but in the word brute the sound is oo. So sometimes you just have to read the word and figure out which one we need. Let's have a look at the back. Here we have a huge brute. I've got some more words with the oo sound in. Let's have a listen. Tune, rude, huge, excuse, accuse. So let's try that at home. Oo, oo, huge brute. Oo, oo, huge brute. Oo, oo, huge brute. Huge brute. Well done. Now we're going to blend some sounds together and you're going to tell me the word. So we're going to start off nice and easy. I just want 3 fret fingers. And your word is mule. 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 A mule is like a donkey. Mule. Your next one has 3 fret fingers again. This time my sound is more of an oo sound. Joon. What's the word? June. June. We are now in the month of June. Well done. We've got one more. 3 fret fingers. Dude. Dude. A cool dude. I've got some more words. We've got brute, use and excuse. So this is an oo or sometimes a u sound depending on the word. It's a bit tricky. I'll pop it on here to remind us of our sound. Now let's have a go at reading some words with our new sound in. We're going to do this all together. I'm going to point at the sounds and you're going to help me call them out at home. Are you ready? Off we go. Tune. Tune. You might play a nice tune on your guitar. Use. Use. I am using my green word cards. Brute, like the picture of the huge brute you just saw. rude. June, June, the month of June. Huge, huge. If something is very big, it is huge. Well done. Let's have another look at those words. Tune, use, brute, rude, June, and huge. Excellent. Shall we have a go at some tricky red words now? Now remember, what can't we do with a red word? We can't thread a red. Are you ready? Let's call them out. Me, was, she, he, of, we, are. Excellent, well done. Now you've done all your green words and red words, it must be time to read some sentences. Now I've got 2 sentences on my board and some of the words contain our new oo or u sound. We're going to work together to read those words, but I think you can help me out with spreading some of the other words and reading some irregular red words. Are you ready? Off we go. We start off with a tricky red word, I. I, can. I can. I've got a special friend, do you remember it? See. I can see. I can see a. Now my next words have our new sounding. Let's try and thread it out together. Are you ready? Huge. 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 I can see a huge. What was this sound? Or, shut the door. Horse. Horse. I can see a huge horse. Well done if you remembered all of those special friends that we learnt before, and well done with our new sound. Let's move on to the next one. We've got some more special friends here. I hope you can remember them. Off we go. E cup of tea. Ease. Please. Please. Say. Please say. Now our next word has our new special friend in. Let's try it together. Excuse. Let's do that again. Excuse. 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 Please say excuse. And then we have a tricky red word right at the bottom. We've seen it before. What's that word? Me. Please say excuse me. Please say excuse me. So if you want to get past somebody, don't push and shove and fight to the front. Say excuse me and they will move. Excellent reading today, well done. Our last little bit of our lesson is our writing. So make sure you have a pen or a pencil and some paper ready. Today we've got another 2 sentences for you. And your first sentence is, Today is the 1st of June. Let's try that again. Today is the 1st of June. 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 6 words. Are you ready? Our first word is today. Now we can split up the word today. Tricky word to comes first. How do you write the word to? Can't hear you. A t and a o. I'm going to use a capital for the start of my sentence. To. Now the word today is all one word. We've got to, we need to add on the word day. Nice and easy, 2 thread fingers. D-A, day. Let's write it down. D-A, we need A, may I play. How do we write that? It's an A and a Y. Now we've joined up our word to and day to spell the word today. Today is. Nice and easy, write the word is. Is. Today is the. Another tricky red word. Write the word the. So we need a t, the. Today is the 1st. Now we need some thread fingers. We've got the sound in our word. Are you ready? 4 thread fingers. First. First. Have a go at writing that with your whirl and twirl sound. Call out the sounds I need. Whirl and twirl. It's an I and a R. What comes next? At the end. Today is the 1st of June. We need to write of June. Another tricky red word. How to write the word of? It's an O and a well done. Today is the 1st of June. And we're going to use our new special friend. Get your 3 thread fingers and we'll write this together. June. We need J-U-N, June. And remember, the letters don't sit next to each other, so where's my friend? He's at the end. J-U-N, June. Where's my friend? He's at the end. We need J, and I'm going to use a capital because it's the start of the month, June. J, U, so first I need my on its own. J, U, N is next. But where's my friend? Oh, he's at the end. The E turns this into a U sound. June, June. Now let's try and read my sentence back. It's a bit wibbly wobbly the way I've written it, but I hope you can read it at home. Today today is the 1st of June. Excellent, well done. You've just got one more to do, and your sentence is, that man was rude to me. Your turn. That man was rude to me. 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 Another 6 words. Are you ready? We start off with the word that. Now that has got 3 Fred sounds, but listen to that first sound. Fat. At. That. So we need a f sound first. Write it down. Remember your capital letter at the start of your word. At. At. That. That man was rude to me. That man. You know how to write the word man? Write it down. 3 Fred sounds. Man. That man. That man was. Now we need our tricky red word was. We've seen it before today. Was. Tricky red word, it's a w, a, s. Write it down. Ready? Let's read what we've got so far. That man was rude. Rude is your next word and it uses our new sound. 3 Fred fingers, please. Let's sound out the word rude. 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 Where's my friend? He's at the end. Write it down. What do I need first? Ooh. And we're going to use this one here, so just an up for now. Ood. But at the moment it says rud, because where's my friend? He's at the end. Remember that e turns it into a oo or a u sound. In this one, it's an oo sound. Ood, rude. So we've got that man was rude to. We've used the tricky word to earlier today. To, a t and an r. And then we need the word me. Here it is. We've seen that today. Me. So we need a and a e. And a full stop at the end. Finish off your writing and then we'll read it again. So we've got at that man was rude to me. That man was rude to me. He needs to learn some manners. Right, let's just have a quick recap of this sound. It's a bit of a tricky one. This is ooh, huge brute. Ooh, huge brute. Well done. Excellent work today, boys and girls. I'll see you again soon.